I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to unlink a bank account from Grubhub, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Grubhub app. Launch the Grubhub app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the account icon, usually found in the bottom right corner. From there, select Settings to access your account preferences. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Payment Methods. This section will show all your linked payment options, including bank accounts. Step 4. Choose the bank account. Locate the bank account you want to unlink. Tap on it to open the details, where you will find the option to remove it. Step 5. Confirm unlinking. After tapping the Remove option, confirm your choice when prompted. This step is crucial to ensure the account is fully unlinked. If you accidentally unlink the wrong account, you can always add it back through the same payment methods section. Good luck, and I hope this helps you manage your Grubhub account more easily.